you want to add a little workout to your whipping, you can add some more leg techniques like these mirrored leg spins. They are quite easy and maybe a good starting point to get used to spinning under your legs, catching your whip, and get you started with other stuff where you finally completely let go of the whip. What are you doing here? You spin forwards and then you lift the opposite leg and spin underneath so that the whip comes up on the outside of this other leg, and there you catch the whip. With the other hand now, again just keep spinning forwards, spin between your legs, and on the other side you catch the whip. Show it from this side so you can see the catching better. I'm starting on that side. So you spin here, and you have to let the whip pass and grab after it. So like this. So it's some catching behind, but it works quite well for this kind of spin. So once again from here. There you go. On the other side, you spin like this hand, spin it forwards, under the leg, and here you catch. Spin it forwards, under the leg, and catch in the forwards grip, just after the whip has passed here the hand. When you start, you will probably do some extra spins on the outside, so you start here, spinning forwards, under your leg to the other side, and do some extra spins before you go here to the other side again. Under the leg, extra spin, under the leg, extra spin. What I'm doing here with the fiber end, I still keep it in the hand that started the spinning, so I can keep the tail end out of the way and it doesn't get tangled with the handland. So I start here, fibers in this hand. When I do several spins, I also turn the tail end around so that the whip does not get twisted up too much. So I start spinning here. Then this hand has to let go of the fibers, spin under the leg, catch here, and with this hand I have let the fibers just slide through the hand. So I just keep the end here, and then you spin here, let go of the fibers here, and again for the next round. So. When you got that, you can try to skip the extra spins. So you start spinning here, under the leg, under the leg, under the leg, under the leg. So it's not even a full spin on either side, but immediately you cross under your legs. And if you do that for a while, this is really your workout.